handling browser. Handling browser. First, manual actions. Manual actions. Next, Selenium WebDriver. I will introduce important manual actions on browser. You may try some rare actions. I am introducing important actions. WebDriver actions. Okay, manual actions. First, launch a browser. Launch a browser. Next, load or open a web page. Next, load or open a web page. Okay, here. No sequence. Maximize the browser window. Maximize the browser window. Next, browser full screen. Browser full screen. Next,
element.
Navigate to another page. What you are trying to tell, Akila? Tell me.
I said finding element, but that is not the manual.
Finding element not belongs to browser. Navigate to another page. Next, navigate back to the previous page. Next, navigate forward. Next, navigate forward.
Close the browser.
Next,
Quit the
refresh. Refresh the current page. Refresh the browser. If you refresh the browser, current page will be reloaded. Refresh the browser. Continue, Saurav Ghosh.
closing the browser.
Refresh the browser. Next, close the browser window. Close the browser window. Next, close the focused browser window. Close all browsers that opened by Selenium WebDriver. See, these are the important manual actions on browser. if it is manual testing, most of the time we may perform this type of actions. Next, Selenium WebDriver actions. Launch uh, Eclipse IDE. Guide me, Saurav. What is our first one? Fulfill that one. Launch a browser. For launching
System.
browser, if you create browser driver object, then it will launch the browser window. Okay, with a blank URL and a resized state. That is default state. Before that, you instantiate the browser driver executable file system dot.
Set property.
Just a minute. System dot set property. Next key WebDriver dot browser type Chrome, browser name Chrome or Edge or Gecko, or depends on your browser. Next driver. Close double quotes, comma, driver executable file. Suppose in my computer, driver executable file available in D drive. Chrome driver dot exe. Next, first one,
WebDriver.
launch a browser.
WebDriver.
Driver
To new Chrome driver.
equals to new Chrome driver. Creating Chrome driver object in WebDriver interface. Functionality of this statement, it launches Chrome browser window with blank URL. Okay, run this partial code. Why? Okay. Next, load or open a web page. Okay. Before maximize, you can load, or after maximize also okay. Before maximize, load, just a minute. Load or open a web page. Driver dot get, suppose google.com. Next, maximize the browser window. Driver dot manage dot window
Dot Maximus.
dot, just a minute, manage dot window dot maximize. Here I am inserting some wait time for observation. Suppose thread dot sleep. thread belongs to Java, generate auto exception. Okay. Next, browser full screen. Browser full screen. See, driver dot manage dot window dot full screen. Next, back to after 3 seconds, back to maximize state. Generally, in our test automation or automated testing, we use maximize state only, full screen, to make check whether that browser or application is visible or not in full screen. But for executing our test cases, most of the time, 99%, we use maximize state. Okay. Run this code. Launch browser, maximize Google. Next, full screen, back to maximize state. Okay. Next, navigate to another page. You know how to navigate to another page. Suppose driver dot just a minute. I forgot two more actions. Maximize browser full screen. Before navigating this one, return the browser title. Return the browser title. Return the current URL. Okay. Return the title. See, browser title, page title, most of the time same. Return the page title. See, it returns title now. So you need to declare string variable. See, string page title, single word. Page title equals to driver dot get title. Next, return current URL. String current URL equals to driver dot get current URL. If you want to display this one, system.out.println page title. Next, system.out.println current URL. Next, just a minute. Navigate to another page. navigate to another page. See, driver dot navigate dot to navigate dot to argument URL is the argument. Suppose I want to navigate to ICICIbank.com. Okay. Next, here for observation, next, navigate back to previous page. Previous URL means previous page. Next, driver dot navigate dot back. Next, sleep time for observation. Next, just a minute. Navigate forward. Navigate forward. Driver dot navigate dot forward. Next, refresh the browser. Just a minute. Just a minute. For observing this one, you navigate to our project page. Suppose driver dot get our sample project admin interface. Sample project admin interface. Shit. Is it? Next, enter some value into the edit box. Driver dot, it is not part of browser handling. For showing refresh functionality, refresh action, I'm using this step. Driver dot find element by dot name locator value, username dot send keys. Suppose ABCD 1 2 3 4. You enter this value. After 3 seconds, refresh the browser. Driver dot find element, driver dot navigate dot refresh. refresh. Next, close browser window. Close browser window. Just a minute. Close the focused browser window. Driver dot close. Close. Driver dot close. Next, close all browsers that opened by Selenium WebDriver. 2 or more browsers. We already closed the browser now. We already closed that browser. Then, if you suppose for showing quit, I want to just a minute. Just a minute. Here, launch this page. I think it may not work. Observe that problem. Saurav Ghosh. We already closed the browser. Now I want to show the quit action. See, driver dot get. Next, click on that admin link. That is lengthy. You can use partial link text. Instead of software testing project admin interface URL, you can just use admin. No other link with that is partial link text. See, driver dot find element by dot partial link text value admin dot click. Next, give some sleep time for viewing that one. Next, driver dot close, not close, quit. Driver dot quit. If you close, it closes only focused browser. Quit. Okay now, Akila, observe handling browser. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Run the program. Maximize full screen. Again, maximize. Navigate to ICICI, back to Google. Next, forward to ICICI. Next, refresh the browser window. Close the browser window, but remaining not performed. It is showing exception. No such session exception. Session not available. Browser session closed. Okay. Page title Google. Page URL. Current page URL google.com. Okay. Up to this one. Up to 58th line. our script executed Saurav Ghosh for launching another page, runtime error. What was the problem? Try to locate the problem. See, in real time, especially in automated testing, not only automated testing, in software development also, developing or writing, suppose writing test cases. Okay, writing test cases is a matter, but troubleshooting, locating issues, locating errors, locating problems is a big task than writing. Okay, sometimes they may take more time. Now look at the problem. Akila, look at the problem. Session closed. I used in 57th line, I used driver dot close. Once, say, before closing the driver means browser window, you can navigate to, back, refresh, forward, etc. But once you close the browser window, then session will be closed. Then how suppose at middle of the test case I closed the browser. After that I want to again launch that browser. How to launch?
Driver.get.
Pardon?
Driver.get.
Get the user now. Suppose if already browser is there, then it will get get the specified page. If no browser, how can it get? How can you get? How can it get? Launching over na, closed na. Suppose once again if you create, this is not the proper way. Once again you launch browser, I think it is not the proper way. I am finding solution. It is showing error now. Rename driver. Rename driver like. It is showing error. Suppose I am driver 2. Driver 2. Run the code. It is not the proper way. Maximize full screen. Again maximize to ICICI. Back to Google. Forward to ICICI. Next, launch our project admin interface. Home page. Clear that ABC, refresh. Close the browser window. Again launch the browser. Getting now? Oh. Close it now.
Yes,
Suppose here I didn't use maximize. You can maximize it. But this is not the proper way. Run the code once again. Max full screen. Back to maximize state. Forward to ICICI. Next, back to Google. Forward. Now forward. Next, to GC sample project. Refresh. Close the browser window. Again launch the browser. maximize the browser window. Oh, maximize is not working. Why it is not working? Here I need to use driver 2. Driver 2 na?
Yes, sir.
Driver 2. Why it is not accepting driver?
It's already closed.
Already closed, okay. But driver is object na?
Yes.
Object name unique na?
Yes, sir.
In your program you can create multiple drivers, sorry, multiple objects, but name should be unique. Just right. That's why driver it is not accepting. Refresh the browser window, close the browser window, again launch the browser, maximize, click that admin link, 2 browsers, quit, all working now, but it is not the proper way. Creating 2 browser objects is not the proper way. Then this solution is not suitable, Akila. This solution is not suitable. Next, how to achieve after closing the browser? How can we get again?
Sir, can we open a new tab before close the browser?
Before close the browser, open new tab.
So that the close will be work on focused window,
And
and then we can apply quit
you
for
try
all
after
other.
the class. That is
Okay.
that is also complex way. If you open the new tab means how you open new tab from the focused browser window only na. Getting my
So no
point?
option.
No option. Say, suppose my last page is this one. From this page only you can, if you have link to open another tab or another browser, you can. Otherwise, how can you operate 2 browsers? Okay. That is not the proper way. Here, observe my solution. Just a minute. Create user-defined methods for launching and closing browsers. Then, whenever you want to launch or close browser, you can just call. Getting?
Yes.
Just a minute. Launch browser. Launch browser. Next, close browser. See, public. Here no return type. Akila, void methods enough. I want to perform action. What is the action? Launch browser. I don't want to return anything.
Won't return.
So void.
What do you want the name, sir? Launch.
Suppose launch browser. Next, just a minute. I think these 2 statements over. Enough? Okay. Next, close browser. Public void close browser. open and close parenthesis, open curly braces. Next, driver dot. Oh, it is not accepting. Driver I created here na.
Driver 3.
Driver I created. This driver for this block of the code only na.
Yes, sir.
Earlier I created in main program, so
Driver already.
that can be used for entire main program. Now I created browser in this launch browser block. If you try to use that driver in another block, it doesn't recognize. Then how to uh, avoid that problem? Declare WebDriver as global. WebDriver driver. Here you can just use driver. Now driver dot close. Now okay na? Raise query, Akila, raise query if you have any doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Next. These are non-static methods. In order to call non-static methods, object required na. Sample obj equals to new sample semicolon. Here how to navigate to another page.
You.
First launch browser.
Right, sir. First
Just a
launch.
minute. Launch browser. First launch browser. How to launch browser?
OBJ
dot obj
launch
dot
browser.
launch browser. Okay, it will launch. Next, after launching, open a web page. Open a web page. Open a web page.
OBJ dot
OBJ.
because the driver is in class level. So to
OBJ dot launch browser. Okay, it will launch the browser. What is the browser? Okay. Launch browser. Get is not just a minute. OBJ dot no get na. Then how to overcome this one?
WebDriver need to be static.
Static. If it is static, what will happen? Static. Static. Here, I remove this one. No error. Run the
So we don't use
Ah,
close. close browser.
Oh, where is that one? Driver dot close. OBJ dot
Close
close
browser.
browser. Again, we need to launch the browser now.
Yes.
OBJ dot launch browser. Launch browser. Next, manage observe. Akila, any problems? Try to dry run. Dry run. I think it will work. Full screen. Back to maximize. ICICIbank.com. Forward to Google. Oh, it is showing. Refresh. Close. Again, launch the browser. Close. Quit. Now observe, Akila. Is it working now?
Yes, sir.
Rise query.
No progress.
What about you, Saurav Ghosh? Rise query, Saurav Ghosh.
No, sir.
Okay.